Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Pretty Pink Posh's brand new release is now available and there are so many fun products. I'll show you a closer look at all of the items included in the release. First up, we have 5 new shaker mixes. The first one is called Ghostly Friends Mix. We have little ghosts, there's some hearts, stars, confetti pieces. The next one's called Hocus Pocus Mix. There's jack-o'-lanterns, squares, bats, more confetti, little candies. Next is Halloween Candy Mix, a fun yellow and orange confetti mix with some tiny little candy pieces. The last 2 mixes are glass beads. The first one is Candy Corn. It's filled with yellow, orange, and white beads. The Spooky Mix has black, orange, green, and purple beads. These will be perfect for shaker cards. There are 4 new stencil sets. The first one is Mummy Wrap, and this is a single stencil. Next is Layered Spider Web, and there are 2 stencils. One's the spider, and the other is the web. Then we have Layered Argyle, and there are 3 layers for this set. I'll open it up so you can get a better look. I think this is a fun set that you could use the stencils individually. You have 2 diagonal stripes and then the diamonds for the center. The final stencil set is called Layered Candy Treats, and there are 4 stencils in this set. I'll open up this set so you can see all the different layers. Individually, they don't look like much, but when you combine them all together, you'll create a fun candy background. Perfect for making Halloween cards. And stencils are always fun since you can use them to create custom pattern paper. The next item is a small stamp set. This is Sentiment Strips Halloween. Lots of really fun Halloween sentiments. We have Sending Spooky Hugs Your Way, Open If You Dare, Batty About You, Sending You a Halloween Hello, a couple smaller ones, Boo, Hey Pumpkin, and lots more. There's a new die set called Sentiment Strips. This is perfect for cutting out those smaller sentiments. And I love the variety of designs. There's scallops, banners, rectangles, and also some narrow little sentiment strips. One of my favorite sets from the entire release is called Decorative Pumpkins. This is perfect for Halloween or fall cards. If you're like me and you don't color, this is a great set. There's the outline, the solid, and then a couple different decorative designs, a few sentiments, and also the pieces for a jack-o'-lantern. The next stamp set is called Boo to You, and there are coordinating dies. The large pumpkin has lots of small images, then there's larger images, plus 3 sentiments. And there is a die to go around the large Boo to You sentiment. Next we have Halloween signs. There are 6 different images, all with a space to add one of the smaller sentiments. And this set also includes 5 sentiments. There are also coordinating dies. The last stamp set is called Halloween Cupcakes. These images are absolutely adorable. I love the little cat cupcake image. There are 6 different images plus coordinating dies. Now moving on to the die sets. There is one new hot foil plate. This is Boo Script. And if you don't do hot foiling, you can also purchase the large Boo shadow. And the shadow on the die set does match with the hot foil plate. Next is a ghost shaker. It includes the stitch outline of the ghost, the inside piece so you can create your shaker, the sentiment Boo, and the dies to add a little face to your ghost. The other new sentiment die set is called Spooky Wishes Shadow. You have the words spooky and wishes and also the outline to go around the sentiment. The next die set is called Halloween House. There's a large house die plus several smaller images. 2 bats, a star, a pumpkin, a cat, 2 different ghosts, the moon, and a small circle that you can use as a doorknob. I'm holding up an A2 size card base for comparison, so this will take up the entire front of your card. The next die set is called Stitched Pumpkins. There are 3 different sizes of pumpkins and also 3 different sizes of stems. There are 2 leaves, 2 vines, and 3 different jack-o'-lantern faces. This is a cute set, and I love this stitch detail on the leaves and the pumpkins. The final die set is the Halloween Mug Editions. Pretty Pink Posh's mug dies have been super popular, and they keep coming out with fun additions. This set includes a pumpkin, a witch's hat, the witch's broom, a moon, a star, pieces to create a little cat face, bubbles to make a little witch's brew. You can also make a Frankenstein mug, plus there are tiny little icons that you could add inside your mug. So many fun options. If you are interested in Pretty Pink Posh's new Halloween release, I do have links provided in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.